So Alan, oh, went ahead and put this bad boy. We're about to put it on.
We got the canards, so we gotta put.
Hold up, bro. Let's.
Damn, this shit is actually sticky.
It's not gonna work on mine, but.
It's close.
Oh no! Whoa! No, it don't work close.
Oh no.
But my shit would look.
What you talking about? It's close.
My shit would look nice though. Baby, look at this.
That's nice.
That looks nasty. Wouldn't that look nasty on my car?
It looks different.
Why are you so aggressive?
Maybe you changed her.
I did. She shit more because I fed her so much.
You did, then why was the new bag closed?
Damn, shit. All
We're
right.
supposed to back up right here.
Back up a little bit.
Yeah, because it's supposed to go right here at the corner.
We're doing the final preparations.
I'm gonna try to like slide it without taking the whole thing off.
How is it on this side? I mean, hell, they look the same on both sides, though. Like, look at that side right there. I can put my finger in between that and where it starts. Yeah. So it's even.
So that's it then.
Yeah. Don't press too hard. Don't press too hard. It's very fragile.
No, I think we're good.
Looks
No,
nice.
good. I think I managed to move.
Make sure here, check all the way through. Make sure no glue or anything's coming out. I don't see any up here.
Yeah, no. If anything, you should have backed it up a little more.
Yeah. But see, if we backed it up more, it would have hung off a lot. It wouldn't. Like right here, you see, it's flush. But the thing is, if we backed it up more, I feel like it'd look weird.
It would curve in like that and then pop back out. Cause this flat, you see how? Look, put your finger here. You see how it's like a rivet kind of?
Yeah.
That's where it's supposed to meet the actual.
Just gotta push the bitch down, but.
I think that's fine.
You like it?
Yeah.
I mean, it looks. I mean, it's
like a small detail.
Yeah, but I mean, it's even on both sides. Like it's
Here,
flush.
This is perfect fitment on both these sides. They sit perfectly.
Yeah, and they're identical on both
Yeah.
sides.
So for what it is, yeah, no, this is great.
Looks fucking nice. Alan, your tag is fucking out of date.
Yeah, but I ran out of title. They were fucking shut down, and it's not. They have another 6 days.
Oh.
And don't blur that out whenever you put it on the video.
I need to.
I just press it down.
Yeah, just go around and press it and just make sure no glue or anything's coming out. Nothing's popping, so that's good.
Yeah, it's even down the middle. Infinity logo lines are right in the middle.
Yeah, it looks good.
Gives it a little bit more flair. Because honestly, without the little, the fact that it ended right here and curved was weird to me. Like, see how yours, you got some type of shape. Mine was just literally, and it was rounder than this.
I want fucking carbon trunk.
I don't know about curves.
I don't know, but at the same time, I don't want a carbon trunk. I just want like a little bill like this. Send me the link to this. I want to see if they got a G37 one.
They probably do.
I'll get it.
Because if you want to buy from eBay or like...
Hell, this bitch ain't coming up.
I know.
Here, I'm gonna go put her up, and then we need to take it on a test drive. Just take it on the loop.
I was about to say, you're trying to hit like 120 of them and make sure it don't fly off?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I mean, that's how you gotta do it. Whew. Just gotta fucking wipe down. Shit's clean, boy. Yeah.
That's installed.
That's nice. Real carbon, boys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get me one of these.
We got the smallest splitters here. Ready to go? Like total daylight to go on. Now, I already ordered the grill. The grill here. This is like face grid. We get one that's all black. Should I take out the black plastic on the logo after I get that actual black grill?
Yes. I mean, you could leave it. Fuck it.
I feel like the chrome, it just looks better if the chrome was popped on black. I just didn't like the chrome popping on.
Oh my god, that looks nice. You gotta get a carbon hood.
Oh yeah, 100%.
I'm so ready.
Carbon hood and fenders.
I'm so ready for my carbon. That fucking looks mean,
So what we
dude.
got going for this car?
Dude, I got my hood. I gotta wrap my shit. Gotta get my grill, and then I'm done. And install all my parts. And then I'm done.
So when's the hood coming in?
1st of August. 1st of August. I'll have carbon on this bitch.
Full lock, people, full lock.
I'm gonna get a blackout strip for the back. Tint my windows again, even darker. Looks clean. Looks clean though.
We got the grill. I don't know if I'll get the hood anytime
Can I show them?
Show them what?
Yeah.
No,
Why?
because
Can I
he's
show them the car?
No,
He's going on soul vlogs?
Yeah.
Zoom in on my boy's face.
Got new caps. You already know. Fast.
Single.
Oh, they can't see shit, boy.
I heard this guy don't pay taxes, so IRS.
Whoa! So lovely. So, we're finishing the back, finishing up the front right now, and then I'm gonna update y'all on the final one right now.
This motherfucking impact almost split your cheeks.
Target. I got the absurd box. I got the normal box. Oh god. But we're just walking around Target, seeing what's around. I don't know if y'all can really hear me. I got a mask on, so.
It's a rainbow. Give me this.
Alright guys, I need y'all to donate. PayPal in the description. It's $100 and we'll come back. We'll get her that.
Oh my god.
You want this one?
Fuck no. I don't need it.
You want the Arizona one?
I was gonna say, yeah, that was prettier. That one, that's just trashy.
Well, you guys tell them to donate. Link in the description to my PayPal.
Nobody's gonna donate.
Wow. Wow.
No. I'm wearing Crocs.
You're in sport mode. I'm wearing slides.
This one, hold on. There we go. Now it's in sport mode. No! Don't hit it into the air filters.
Kick it up.
I'm not kicking it up.
Why?
I'm gonna be honest, I thought that was fat enough.